Welcome to my science class. In this class, we'll solve sums from class 10 NCERT textbook. Question says, how many 176 ohm resistors in parallel are required to carry 5 amperes on a 220 volt line? You have to find out how many resistors of 176 ohms have to be connected to the circuit so that 5 amps of current flows through it. So here the total current that has to flow is the total current I is equal to 5 amps. So much current has to flow through it. And the potential difference V is 220 volts. Now the resistance of an individual resistor equal to 176 ohms. This is the resistance of each resistor. Now the resistors are in parallel. Resistors are in parallel. When they are in parallel, the equivalent resistance of the combination that is Rp will be equal to voltage V by total current. That's equal to 220 by 5. That's equal to 44 ohms. This is the equivalent resistance of all the resistors. Now we have to find out the number of resistors required. Let the number of resistors be equal to X. Let there be X number of resistors connected. So 1 by RP, 1 by, because it's a parallel connection, 1 by RP is equal to 1 by R1 plus 1 by R2 plus 1 by R3 x times, because we have taken, let the number of resistors be x. So 1 by Rp is equal to 1 by R1, R2, R3, like that we have to connect, x resistors will connect. So this x times. So the value of Rp is 44. So 1 by 44 is equal to, the value of each resistor is 176 ohms. 1 by 176 plus 1 by 176 plus 1 by 176 x times. So 1 by 44 will be equal to, you have to add 1 x times. So we will get x. Then 176, because they are like fractions. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, you have to add x times. We will get x. Now we will cross multiply. 44x is equal to 176. So x is equal to 176 by 44, which is equal to 4. So we have to connect 4 resistors of 176 ohms in parallel to carry 5 amps on a 220 volt line. Therefore, the required number of resistors are required number of resistors are 4. The question says, show how you would connect 3 resistors, each of resistance 6 ohms, so that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohms and 4 ohms. So we have been given 3 resistors of 6 ohms each, and we have to connect them in series, in parallel, or in combination, so that the combination has a resistance of 9 ohm and 4 ohms. So we can connect them in so many ways. Suppose we connect them in series. Suppose we put them in series. So this is 6 ohms. This also 6 ohms. Then the total resistance will become, Rs will be equal to 6 plus 6 plus 6, 18 ohms. So we want 9 and 4. So this connection is not going to help us. Second, we will try them and we will put them in parallel and see. Suppose we put them in parallel. If you put them in parallel, 6 ohms, 6 ohms and 6 ohms. So here the total resistance, that is Rp, will be equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6 will be equal to 3 by 6, that's equal to 1 by 2. So Rp will be equal to 2 ohms. But we want 9 and 4. So this also will not help us. So series and parallel will not help us. You have to go for combination. So what we will do, we will put 2 in parallel, 1 in series. Suppose we put it like this. Now the equivalent of resistance of these two will be 1 by Rp will be equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6. That's equal to 2 by 6 and 1 by 3. So Rp will be equal to 3. So this again the combination resistance of the combination will be 6 plus 3. That's equal to 9. Yes. So we are going to be getting the first required resistance. We put it in this. So let this be R1, let this be R2, let this be R3. Equivalent resistance of R1 and R2 will be equal to R1 R2 is given by 1 by Rp, that's equal to 1 by 6 plus 1 by 6, that's equal to 2 by 6. So Rp is equal to 3 ohms. Resistance of the combination. Resistance of the combination. Equal to 6 plus 2, 6 plus 3 is equal to 9 ohms. Now We have to get a resistance, we have to get 4 ohms. Then we will connect it this way. We'll connect 2 in series, 1 in parallel. So this R1, R2. Then we'll connect 1 in parallel. This is R3. 6 ohms, 6 ohms and 6 ohms. Equivalent resistance of R1 and R2. Equivalent resistance of R1 and R2 equal to 6 plus 6, that's equal to 12 ohms. Now the resistance of the combination, resistance of the combination is given by 1 by Rp, that's equal to 1 by 12 plus 1 by 6. That's equal to, the LCM is 12, so 1 plus 2, that's equal to 3 by 12. 1 by 4. So Rp equal to 4 ohms. So the combination of the resistance of the combination is 4 ohms. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you.